This one is called Cam Slim. It can be magnetically mounted, sticked, or screwed to any position. Of course, it's also mounted on tripods that screw a 1/4 inch. You can view the real-time 1080p video through your mobile phone, and of course, you can also talk to your cute dog/person to say hi. Maybe you don't want to miss the momentous moment at home. Cam Slim can also help you record through motion monitoring. Motion detection recording at all times scares away thieves. If you ask what else about Cam Slim, let's go. Smart Scene set motion detection as a trigger with other SONOFF smart devices to make a surprise plan. You can also view the monitoring of Cam Slim through computers, and Alexa or Google Assistant devices with a screen. The local storage supports a maximum of 256 GB. Not enough? Take it easy, you can also opt for cloud storage, highly encrypted to protect your privacy. This is Cam Slim.